Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Art, I love you already know. So for some strange reason, I woke up this morning and I feel for some roast fish and roast corn. So I'm out on the road right now. I'm driving to the fish market to see if I could get some nice snapper fish so I could do a roast today. In the meantime, guys, I want to start a promotion from a channel. Right, so this is how the promotion will go, right? If you can bring 50 subscribers to the channel, you win for yourself $50. If you can bring 100 subscribers, you win for yourself $100. Right? So this is how it works. Whenever you send over a subscriber, right, the subscriber will leave a comment, and at the end of the comment, the person will leave your name initial, so I could know that the subscriber is actually your people, right? So what I will do now, I will count off the numbers, and as soon as it reach 50 or 100, I will either Zelle you your money or Cash App, PayPal, Western Union, whatever it is, wherever in the world you're at. It's a fast way of making some money. It's a promotion for me. So if you bring 50 subscribers, you win for yourself $50. If you bring 100, you win for yourself $100. If you bring 200, you win for yourself $200. So guys, it's time for you to get to work and make some money. Now I'm about to drive to the store to get my fish. So if you want to drive along with me, let's go. Let's go. Here freestyle, so right here they have some nice snapper fish. I'm about to get some snapper or some doctor fish. So I went to the fish market, as I said earlier on, and I get some nice snapper fish, nice and fresh. So I'll be doing a roast with these. Right here I have my seasoned and vegetable prep. I have okra, sweet pepper, scallion, thyme, Scotch barnet pepper, pumpkin, onion, and carrots. Over here now I have corn. I'll be doing some roast corn as well. And over here I have some sweet potato. I'll be doing some roast sweet potato. And here is the spices I'll be using to season up the fish. So just trot along, guys, and watch the progress. I'm now getting the fish seasoned. Right now I'm using some fish seasoning. Yeah, you want to get the seasoning all over your fish. As you can see, I slice them so the seasoning will soak right through. So I'm getting the fish seasoned. With the fish seasoning, you want to make sure you get the belly of the fish seasoned properly. I put some slices on it so the seasoning could soak right through your fish. Here. And after I use the fish season, I use some all-purpose. All-purpose seasoning, put it in the middle and all over the fish. You rub it in. Make sure the seasoning is all over. So after that, I'll have some Old Bay season to it. I like when my meat or my seafood, whatever is well seasoned and spicy. Right here I have some whole grain all purpose as well. I'm going to put a little bit of this in it. Go ahead, rub up everything together to make sure all of my fish is properly seasoned. So as you can see right here, I have the spices all over it. Guys, I will now go ahead and put my seasoned vegetable in the container and mix everything together. So all my seasoning will now go in this container. After which I will add some spices to it. I'm gonna have some more of the fish season, not too much because the fish already has the spices on it. Yeah, but you want to use the veg to have a little bit of spices to it. So I have some all-purpose season as well. Also, I will go ahead and add some Old Bay season. After I had the season, I'll rub everything together. Everything is now mixed together. Now I will use this to stuff the fish. So I will now go ahead and stuff the fish with the vegetables. My okra, sweet pepper, scallion, thyme. I'm going to stuff them. Nice and lovely. And after I stuff them, I'm going to put some all over it. And spread them all over. Right, this is a very healthy meal. Something you could try at home. And after that, I'm going to add a very small piece of butter. Small piece of butter. Then I will go ahead and wrap it in the foil. I'm gonna wrap it really tight so the juice don't leak out of it. So to this side, you're gonna wrap. This, and after you wrap, I'm going to place it in this container right here. I now have the fish wrapped in the foil paper. I'm going to place it in the oven for like 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Just stick and stay, guys. So I will now make preparation for the roast corn first. I spray the foil so the corn doesn't stick. Then I put the corn on the foil paper, and I'm going to spread some butter right around the corn. Then I'm going to wrap. And I will go ahead and make preparation for the sweet potato. So spray the foil paper so it doesn't stick. And I'm gonna lay them flat on the foil. Then I will wrap. going to place them in the oven to bake. Here freestyle, so I will now go ahead and place the corn and the sweet potato in this fry pan right here, then place it in the oven. So I put my sweet potato in, sweet potato, corn, then after which I will place it in the oven, probably about 20 minutes for it to cook. So guys, stay tuned. Yes, freestyle, this is it. Roast fish, roast snapper fish, roast corn, roast sweet potato. Very healthy meal, guys. As you can see right here, trust me, this is smelling so good. It's looking so delicious, as you can see for yourself. Nice, hot and spicy, guys. Wow. So we're about to have a feast right now up in here. Wow. Make sure I give you guys a real close up of it. You know what I mean? The okra, the scallion, the thyme, the Scotch barnet, the pumpkin, everything just marinate together and just give it that nice smell, that nice island vibe, you know what I mean? So guys, as always, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed as yet, guys, feel free to hit the subscription button and join the movement. As always, guys, thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. This is Orion. He's a big fan of fish. And Orion is getting down right now. Right, Orion? How is it?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Really? Enjoying, right? Orion is enjoying his roast fish, his sweet potato, roast corn. Terry, what you think?